Hello everyone, welcome back to Skeledon, Bushcraft and Survival. I'm out here with my nephew, getting ready to camp out tonight. Got the fire going, gonna have us some steak fajitas. Looking forward to it. We're actually gonna use ramps instead of onions. So I'm really looking forward to that. All I did, as far as the fire, I mean it's simple. I've showed how to start a fire several times. I actually used a ferro rod with cotton balls and Vaseline to get it started, and here it is. So I mean it's not a big deal, but anyways, but it is actually a big deal that it's kind of chilly out today, and it's supposed to get down to 36 tonight. Kind of weird for, you know, the month of May to have that kind of temperatures, but oh well, it is what it is. I'm not gonna let it stop me. I hope he's not gonna let it stop him.
No.
Oh no. And we're gonna have ourselves a blast. So come along with us if you would. I hope you enjoy. We got plenty of firewood for the night, and I'm looking forward to those fajitas. We got ourselves set up with a tent in the back. Also, we're out here playing around with the tomahawk. We're just having fun, you know. We might show a couple of bushcraft, you know, things in this video. I'm not really quite for sure yet, but really, honestly, this is just out here enjoying the weather.
Yeah, the cold
I'm
weather.
saying that as a joke. Anyways, let me show you. Went to Lowe's the other day. I saw this right here. It's this wing. This wing. I mean, name brand, and it's a tomahawk. I had to buy it. It was $40. Make fun of me if you will, spending $40, but I had to. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in that tree right there. I'll try to anyway on camera. So if you could turn that around there.
Yeah.
So that, yeah. Just playing around.
All right.
Oh. That wasn't nice.
Take two.
Take two.
There you go.
Love tomahawks. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get things set up and everything to get those fajitas going. Kind of want to get everything done so that we can just sit back and enjoy. So thank you again for coming along with us. All right, we're back. I got the steak on there, got the ramps already cut up and ready to go, got the green peppers, which I got along the way. Ramps find out here, of course, and then green peppers. We went to the store for the steak, you know, not trying to fool anybody. We went out and we got ourselves a steer out here. No, anyway, so got our steak on, got our green peppers and ramps for the onions. Cooking this up nice, getting ready to add here pretty soon. Gonna be adding the green peppers and the rams, and have ourselves a fajita. Now, I also want to point out that I've got this set up. Got some logs here, and of course split them with the axe. I laid them out. For cooking purposes, sometimes the fire is really good, and sometimes the embers is really good. And in this situation, for a more controlled cook, it's the embers. You can take the pan on and off, you know, of the embers as needed, but for the most part, you don't have to. Just let it cook. It's, you know, as far as the fire goes, well, roasting hot dogs and things like that, it's great. Something like this right here, not so great. I got some plastic on this little skillet that I got, and flames wouldn't do very well with that. It's heat resistant, of course, but not that heat resistant. I also want to point out too, and this isn't really pointed out, when doing this right here out camping and stuff like that, it's really better to heat up the pan first before you put the oil in there. All chefs know this, but a lot of people don't know it. Get the pan hot, then put the oil in a few seconds before you actually put the food in, because oil will break down. And most of the time when you have troubles with sticking and things like that in your skillets, that's why. Because the pan goes on, you put the oil in there, the oil will break down a lot sooner than what the pan heats up, and so then there's no actual barrier in between the food and the skillet. So doing this way helps with this sticking process. But anyway, hope that helps. All right, here we are. They're done, ready to go. Now we're just getting it up so that we can put the tortillas across the top there. And I want to point out a few things on that one. Pawpaw is a really good choice. Any non-toxic woods would be perfect. You want it green, but there's no sense in cutting down a tree for something like this right here. Just get a limb that is the right size and go from there. And then of course take all of the bark. During this time of the year, the sap is high, so the bark should peel off just fine. Later parts in the year, it won't peel off so easily. But you definitely want to cut the bark off and get down to the actual bare wood. And then what we'll do is we'll lash that on there right above the heat and just lay the tortilla on top of it.
You need more sticks?
Yeah, need a few more. Perfect. And once we get that done, then I'll come back and show you how we do that. Just basically setting it across there so that we'll have a stick going across here, and these will just lay on top basically. So I said lash this on, but this won't get lashed on. Just clarifying that. But nevertheless, when we get that one done, then I'll come back and I'll show you what I'm talking about, and we'll get the tortillas on, heat up those a little bit, just heating them up, and we'll be ready to eat. So I'll see you then. All right, like I said, there's 2 lashed here, 2 lashed here. All I'm doing is just a clove hitch. One, I'm wanting to have enough excess here. So 1, 2, reverse it, come in, just like this right here, and pull tight. And then wrap this around, tie it up here with a regular box knot. No big deal. There we go. And of course, cutting off the excess.
Ready for these?
Yes, ready for those.
Okay. Here you go.
All right, excess cordage set over there. And yeah, all we're gonna do is just set these across like so.
They good?
Yep, just enough to hold a tortilla. A couple of tortillas or so. So, just like that right there. I'm gonna, yeah. And yeah.
Yeah.
And then you can get the tortillas out, and we can go ahead and set those tortillas on.
Where did we put those?
All right, and then we just set the tortillas on there like that.
Do you mind if I continue sawing some wood?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I'm just gonna do 2. The heat will rise, it will get to it, it'll warm them up, and that's all that's needed. They're already, I mean, they're store-bought, they're already ready. They just need to be heated up. At home, just throw them in the microwave in the bag for like 10 seconds, and they're like good to go. But out here, the heat rises, and give that a second, and it'll be good to go. I'm gonna put this back on there, just to heat these up a little bit. Here is yours. Hold on to it. See how the underside is kind of, yeah. So I'm gonna have you hold that, and I'm gonna kind of scoop out some Oh, yeah.
Smells really good.
Yeah, it
Oh
does,
my God,
don't
it
it?
smells amazing.
Yeah. That's enough.
Yeah, that's plenty.
All
That's a fajita.
Go ahead and wrap it up. Take a bite. See how it tastes.
Oh, it's just perfect.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Without any sour cream, cheese, or anything like that right there. Something about cooking outside. Oh,
Something about it, man.
Mm-hmm.
Over a fire.
Over a fire.
That is just amazing.
Yep. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get mine going, and I'm going to eat mine. We're going to go ahead and finish eating, and we'll be back. Those were amazing. Those were absolutely amazing. When I went to the store and I got, you know, a package of meat, you know, the steak and stuff, I was like, I don't know, this is probably too much. Even after I cut them up, you know, and put it in the pan and everything, I was like, yeah,
quite a bit.
It really did, yeah. Ended up only 2 a piece though. So, I mean, we could have gotten more.
Yeah.
I really wish we did now.
It was a good amount.
Yeah, I could have gone with a third.
Oh, yeah.
They were really good.
So.
I used ramps, like I said, and I didn't put as many in there because they have a more onion flavor to them.
They're more potent.
They are. And so, in the end, though, I guess I could have added a few more of those.
And I actually went ahead and threw on some ramp leaves.
Yep.
So.
Yep. I didn't. I was happy the way they were. I really was.
Oh, yeah, they were great.
Yeah.
I just wanted them a little more ramp.
Yeah, I know. All right. Well, here we are. Nighttime. Fire stoked. Getting ready for bed. So, this right here probably only burn about, I'd say 3 hours.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, about 3,
Yep.
3.5, maybe.
Yep. By the time we wake up in the morning, there might be embers up underneath, but
covered all by ash.
yeah.
But we'll just dig that out. And
Exactly, it'll be easy.
I'll be able to start it right back
Yep.
up from that.
Yep. Because I plan on sleeping in.
Yeah.
Good morning. We got up, got the fire back up, brewed us up a cup of coffee. Just enjoying the morning.
Cool down?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Strong enough for you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You like strong coffee, and so do I.
I'm skeptical about just 2 scoops.
Yeah, but
It's really all you need.
2 tablespoons for 2 cups. Anybody listening, that's a lot of coffee for just 2 cups. Especially when cups for coffee is 6 ounces.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's strong coffee, but I love it.
And that's how I like my coffee.
Oh yeah. It always tastes better out in the wilderness. But everything does. Outside. Cooking food tastes better outside. I don't know what it is. Last night it was cold. It did get down to 36. I couldn't believe it actually. I got up. It was like 4, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, somewhere in there. I can't remember. We went to bed at 4, and it wasn't at 36 at 4. And but I woke up sometime in between there and looked at my phone, and it got down to 36. So it was cold, but we slept nice and cozy.
Oh, yeah.
He said he got so hot he had to unzip his sleeping bag.
Yeah.
I was set perfect. Love being out here. I still use that Mora Garberg. I still use it. I love it.
Wonderful knife.
Yep. Used it last night to prepare the steak. But anyway, that burnt smoke is getting in my eyes now.
Moved over here to get away from it.
Yeah.
And then it followed us.
I'm just gonna go ahead and stand up. Stand over here. But
yeah, I'm gonna have to do the same. Stand over here.
there we go. That's much better. It's still kind of chilly this morning. That's the reason why we're huddled close to the fire.
Yeah.
But it's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. It's just a little chill in the air. That's it.
It's the morning chill.
Yeah, it's the morning chill. But anyways, that's going to be it for us. Thank you very much for joining us. And we'll see you on the next one. And there will be a next one. And it won't be 5 months away. I got a whole bunch of videos planned. And I'm really excited about it. Yeah, this is me really excited. Reminds me of that cartoon character. I'm happy. But I really am excited about it. So, thanks again. We'll see you.